So we try our hands on some of the past questions on the topic. I will try about 4 to 5 questions with you, and the remaining will be added to the main page. So if you come to the page to study, you have access to all the questions on that topic for your review. What we have now is, we say the question reads, solve the equation 4 to the power 2 minus x times 16x plus 1 equals 64, which is 2006 May-June question number 1A. From my initial explanation, I made it known clear to you that before you will be able to solve initial equation questions clearly, you must know that both the right-hand side of your equation and the left-hand side of your equation, whatever you have been given, must have the same base. So if the bases are not the same, you try to do your best to make sure that you have expressed whatever you have in the same base. If not, you have to apply log to the function. So I have gotten 4, 2 minus x, 16 x plus 1 to be equals to 64. Now, one fascinating thing is that I realized that the least number or the base must be 4 because I've gotten 4 here. So if I've got 4 here as a base to 2 minus x, then I must also raise 16 to also have a base of 4 and 64 to also have a base of 4. From previous lesson, I explained to you that when you got 16, 4 to the power 2. Two numbers that 4 to what will give me 16. I know 4 times 4 is going to give me 16. So my next step is going to be 4, 2 minus x times 4 to the power 2. Then you put the x plus 1 in bracket equals 64. Just have to look at it. You can break it down. When you are breaking it, you realize that 4 to the power 3. That means 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. So 4 to the power 3. Good. That is going to give me 64. Now, from the law that we know, we say when we are multiplying, we add the exponent. So adding the exponent, we are going to get our 4, 2 minus x, plus the 2 out, x plus 1 equals to 4 to the power 3. We can just equate the base. Then when we equate the base, we have got 2 minus x plus, you can open the bracket now, 2x plus 2. That means 2 times x gave me 2s, 2, 1, 2, to be equals to 3. Now look at the numbers and group items. I've gotten 2 here, I've gotten 2 here. So, and I've gotten minus x. This minus s and 2s, you equate. So the s will reduce the 2s for me to get x. And 2 plus 2 will give me 4. Let it cross the equal sign. It is what? They are positive here. So 4 will be positive here. When it crosses, it becomes negative. So I'm going to get 3 minus 4. So x here equals to minus 1. So this will be the value of the equation. If you really want to prove, to see that what you have done is correct, go back to the equation and substitute x into it. Now we are going to prove, to see that what we've done is correct. So in proving, I have my 4 to the power 2 minus 1, you see, because x is 1. So I put minus 1, I close my bracket, times 16 to the power x, and we know x is minus 1 plus 1. What are we going to get? Okay. Negative times negative will give me positive, so I'm going to get 4 to the power 3 here, times negative 1 plus 1 will give me 0, so 16 to the power 0. And we say any number to the power 0 is 1. So this is going to give me 4 to the power 3 times 1, which is going to give me what? 64. Because 4 to the power 3 is 64. So at this point, you can accept the fact that everything you have done is correct for the instance. We will try our hands on further examples or further past questions.